What is going on, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to share with y'all 5 super easy vegetables to grow, and we're going to do it in under 5 minutes. Let's go. So yeah, these are going to be plants that you're basically just going to make sure they have sun, water, and that's it. So guys, our first easy to grow vegetable is going to be lettuce. And the thing that's incredible about lettuce, so if you look closely at this lettuce, this is tons and tons of little lettuce plants all right next to each other. So this is called growing lettuce in basically like a high intensity fashion. Basically you just sprinkle a bunch of seeds, like literally 100 seeds per row, and you just let them grow. You don't even have to thin them out. You can just let them grow like this, and you can see they're comfortably all growing right next to each other, and that's how we've got this whole bed planted out. And you can just let it grow like that. You don't have to worry about thinning these out. You can basically just plant it and forget about it. This is what our last year's high intensity lettuce ended up looking like, just to give you guys an idea of what this will turn into. This is the easiest way to grow lettuce. You don't have to worry about going back and thinning out your lettuce, worrying about spacing, that kind of thing. So you are going to get a ton of lettuce if you grow like this. Number 2. Radishes. So radishes are another one of my favorite vegetables to grow. My favorite variety is the French breakfast radish. That's what we have shown here. They're not as spicy as most varieties. As long as you grow them in fairly cool weather, they're not going to get really hot on you. Seeds will sprout in as little as a couple days, and they will be ready to harvest in as soon as 3 weeks, usually 3 to 4 weeks. So the thing that I love about radishes is the versatility of them. Radishes for some reason get a really bad rap from a lot of people. I don't know why. You can use them eaten raw. That's what I love to do. You can use them in soups, stews, salads, pretty much anything. But yeah, that's my number 2, radishes. Number 3.
Onions.
Onions are super easy to grow. There's not a whole lot to them. As long as you water them and give them sun, they're gonna give you onions, or even green onions. That's the nice thing about onions. Even if you mess up, you still didn't mess up. You can still harvest them for the green onions, which is awesome. There's all different kinds of varieties you can grow. We're doing the sweet Spanish onion. That's my favorite variety. Onions, you literally just put them in the ground, give them sun, water, and they're gonna give you onions or onion tops. And just a quick tip while we're talking about onions, try to grow them from either seed or by the little like seedlings like this from the store. You don't want to grow them from sets like the little mini onions. You can grow those, but they're not going to give you as big of a bulb. Since onions are a biannual, if you get that little bulb, it's already been growing for a while, so the onion is going to trick itself into thinking it's time to basically start putting out flowers. Number 4. Green beans. Green beans are super easy to grow. You literally just plant seeds into the ground, just wait till you're past your average last frost date for them, and they will pretty much just grow crazy for you. I like to grow bush variety just because you don't have to worry about trellising them up like you do with pole beans. They are super forgiving of pretty much every aspect as far as care goes. You know, you don't have to water them a whole lot. As long as you get some rain in your area, that's pretty much going to take care of the water for them. Just make sure they get some sun, and they're even pretty forgiving with the soil. You know, even if you have a little bit of compacted soil, if you just amend it a little bit with some compost, they will grow really nice for you. And they're super easy, and yeah, I just love them. They're one of my favorite things to grow. Number 5, kale. Now I've just got kind of baby kale growing at the moment. I don't have full-size plants yet, but kale is super easy to grow. There's all different varieties you can grow. This one is the blue curled Scotch kale, which is pretty typical of what you'd see in a kale. This is what you'd see in like a store, and it's just one of the most popular varieties. This is actually my favorite variety to grow. This is scarlet kale. You don't get quite the bitterness that you do with a regular kale. It's a little bit more mild. It grows really easily. You can pick from it again and again. And yeah, it's super easy to grow. You basically just water it, make sure it has sun, and it's gonna grow for you, I promise. I haven't been keeping track of time. Hopefully that was less than 5 minutes or close to it anyway. But guys, that is my 5 super easy vegetables to grow for you guys. Again, if you just plant these, give them water, give them sun, they're gonna grow for you. Again, these are gonna be awesome for if you're wanting to get into gardening, or if you just want something that's super easy to grow, super low maintenance. And guys, real quick, I'm Nick. This is my YouTube channel, The Bravo 6 Gardener. If you guys enjoyed this video, I would so appreciate a thumbs up. It'll help this video get out to more beginner gardeners. And if you guys wanna see more gardening how-tos, tips, and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We do gardening videos at least weekly, probably more once we get full swing into the gardening season. But yeah, subscribe to my channel if you guys want to check out more gardening content. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you all learned something new. See you guys next time. Bye.